In the midst of the ongoing controversy to ban halal meat, 4 Bajrang Dal members were booked in Bhadravati, Shivamogga for assaulting a meat shop owner, Tausif for selling halal meat. The FIR has been registered as the incident took place on 31st March. Several Hindu groups across the state have been demanding boycott of halal meat.
ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಹಿಂದೂಗಳೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಇದೇನು 12 ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕಾಜಿಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಹೊಸಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೊಸಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 100ಕ್ಕೆ 99% ಹಿಂದೂಗಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಟನ್ ಮಾರಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಟನ್ ಮಾರು. ಇಲ್ವಾ ಮಟನ್ ಮಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಬಾಗಿಲಾಗು. ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರ ಕೈಲಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನಿನ್ನ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೇಳು. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾರೆ ನಮ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು 199% ಹಿಂದೂಗಳೇ ಇರೋಂತ ಜಾಗ. ಅಲಾದ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮಟನ್ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ಅಲಾದ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನೀನು ಅಲಾದ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತಿಂತಾರೋ ಕೊಡ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ
First and foremost, Shri Amit Shah is here today. He is Home Minister of India. He is supposed to protect law and order across the country. What is he doing? Is he fulfilling his duty? What is Chief Minister Shri S.R. Bommai doing? Is he fulfilling his duty? What is the Home Minister of the state doing? Are they fulfilling their duties? And I'll tell you why they are not doing so. Because Amit Shah ji and Chief Minister Bommai ji have no answer to 40% commission government. They are trying to get polarization done because they have no answer to why an ex-chief minister has been summoned for corruption and Amit Shah is rubbing shoulders with him. They have no answer to give to people as to why two ministers in the government are on bail on corruption charges and they continue to be ministers. They have no answer to give to people of Karnataka as to why a contractors association, specific contractors, write to CM, write to PM about 40% commission being taken by ministers and MLAs of BJP and they take no action. It is to put a lid over the corrupt maladministration of Bommai government that they are trying to polarize the society. Law and order has broken down. The scheduled castes, the backward classes, the minorities, the scheduled tribes, the poor, the deprived, the salaried class, the young, they are all unsafe in this state.
Sir, why
if Mr. Amit Shah
BJP purposely creating such situation. They want to polarize. See, it is against the constitution they are doing it. And people will not approve it. And only because the Karnataka elections are nearby, that's why they are doing it.
Okay. And so is it...
Karnataka Home Minister has also given a statement that those who do not follow constitution, the High Court's order should teach them a lesson.
That's why he should teach his people. The BJP people are talking and they are talking against the constitution. They are talking the existing customs against the customs. So he can first punish them, then he talk.
So with
Shivamogga and ask him to cut only halal meat. Why he is cutting halal meat?
So we condemn all this type of atrocities on the human being. So humanity is main concern. when the people and anti-social elements take the law into hand, it's a duty of the government what action they are taking. So entire state and entire India is seeing what BJP government is doing here.
And it's a district of Home Minister, sir.
And it's a dish of Home Minister and Senior Minister and ex-Chief Minister. So ultimately, if they are not taking action, it is with the support of this government, these anti-social elements are doing these things, which will going to divide the society and which will be a big for the unity of this country.
Police hands are tied then.
The police are not free hands at all. They are tied up. They have tied up their police hands and plaster their mouth so they can't talk or they can take action. So ultimately, when such things happen, the Home Minister should resign.
All right, thank you. Before you go inside, in Bhadravati and Shivamogga today, because of the halal issue, they actually stormed the shop, threatened a guy saying, if you cut through halal cut, we will stop you. They tried to assault him.
No, this is a complete failure of the Bombay government, and they're just trying to appease their masters in Delhi. They just have no achievements to showcase. That's why they're going ahead and doing these kind of things. But most importantly, it looks like Mr. Bombay is not in control of his government. The Bajrang Dal and other fringe elements are running this government, and it's not the BJP government here.
Won't it lead to law and order situation?
Of course it is. It is unfortunate that such a progressive state needs the help of these fringe elements to govern.
So, last one question.